I want to show you the Icelandic Bind Off in this video. It creates a very attractive edge to your knitting. You do need to do it in the knit stitch. You can't combine knit and purl properly with it. And also it creates a nice stretchy edge. So anything where you want a stretchy edge, this is a good option. We will start by just knitting the first stitch and moving that back over to the left needle. You don't do that again, that's just at the beginning. Now to work it, you go through that stitch, you don't knit it, and you go in as if to knit. So you're pulling it through that second stitch on the needle, then we'll drop those two off and move that stitch back over again, and we'll repeat that process. Go in through that first stitch, knit into the second stitch, pulling it through the first one while you do it, drop those two off. Move this over again, and look, you can even speed this up. You see when I push that over, I'm just going to leave my needle in there and then just go knit through this and pull that off. As I'm putting this one on again here, I'm going to come pull the second stitch through, knit it, slip both loops off the left hand needle, pull this back, pull through my second stitch and knit it, slip those two off, move this back, pull the next one through, and knit it, slip those off, bring it back, pull the next one through. All right, as I'm going through here now, I'm going to stop and let's take a look at the edge. You can see what it does is it actually creates quite a twisted border that pulls it down, that has got a pretty good amount of stretch on it, and it kind of creates this curl on the edge of your work. So make sure it's something you want. Like, you can force that back up, but naturally it seems to want to curl more than most other bind offs. But it can form a very nice edge for things like garter stitch and things like that, because it blends right in. So that is your Icelandic bind off.